Ciao, my name's Ben, and I'm one of two creators of Chapter 6. Today, we're just having a walk around Gouna, Egypt, specifically in the sunrise and the sunset times. I'm actually recording this intro after the day because I tried one in the sunrise time and it was terrible. So yeah, all the footage you'll see, all the pictures were recorded just before this intro. So today I'm shooting with the Canon 700D with the Tamron 18 to 200mm. And also I'll be comparing these two digital cameras with the small old 2007 Digicam Pentax Optio e30. I guess we'll compare the two types of pictures, how they deal with the same environment really. So yeah, that's it, let's go.